everyone, welcome back to the Sam Outdoors. My name is Peyton and this is my sister. And my other sister. In this video, we will be replacing a fuel filter on this F250 6.7 liter Powerstroke. Let's get to work. First things first, we are going to drain the fuel.
Wait a minute. We're going to turn it on. Turn it to the front of the Every time. Yes, stop.
Breaking it free by 32mm sockets, we're going to twist the rest of it off by hand. Now, using this pick, we're going to remove the O-ring.
Now with the O-ring off.
Okay. Now with the O-ring off, the new one lubricated, we're going to put this one on. The filter in place, we're going to put the canister back on. Everything together and the sensor plugged in, we are done down here. Alright guys, all we have to do is take off 2 hoses, then we're done.
Let's get to it.
We have to do this 6 more times. Now that we did it 6 times, let's see what this baby can do.
Woohoo!
Like and subscribe below. Bye, see you later.